Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download the Windows 7 disk image. This is a question I get asked a lot of times. How do you get the .iso image for Windows 7? Well, to start off with, all you need to do is head on over to the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to make sure you have your Windows 7 product key. This could either be on the side of your computer case, on the back of your laptop, it could even be in an email, or you might just have it written down somewhere. But either way, you cannot proceed without your Windows 7 product key. You now need to make sure you have a decent connection to the internet. Depending on how good your internet connection is, depends on how long it will take to download the file. You now need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and where it says enter product key, you now need to enter in your product key and press verify. And then it will take you to a different page, which is where you can select the language you want to download the .iso for, and also select the version, whether you want to download the 32-bit version or the 64-bit version. Once you have finished selecting the options, you will then be able to download the .iso. And once the .iso has finished, you will be able to either put it onto a USB stick or onto a DVD and then install Windows 7 onto the machine you want. I hope this video has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.